Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone's fit and fine. As you know about me, whenever I get time, always try to practice on social media. Today once again to practice on social media. My name is Lal Kishore. I am from Bihar. I am 38 years old. I am tailor. Uh, I have two daughters, a son. Currently, I live in Delhi because my purpose is improve my English. That's why I always try to practice on social media because I want to improve my English. I want you to improve your English with the help of your social media because without speaking English, next you will have to face problem next time. That's why we have time to improve our English. We don't waste time by watching unnecessary video. Start education video, then education video will help you. That's why you can see across the world multiple English language use, movie, serial, and everything anywhere. That's why you have understood that English, English English is spoken next day, next time. That's why we have time to improve our English because if I don't go with English, we will have to very face problem next time. That's why you have time to improve your English. That's why whenever you get time, always try to practice on social media. Always try to think in English. Then you will be able to improve your English, at least some basic English. Then you will be able to talk to English. If you make plan, if you make decision that I will go out of India, you must have some English knowledge. Then you will go to out of India. You will not have to face problem without knowing about some English language. You will go out of India. You will have to big problem. That's why I have left in foreign more than 3 years. That's why I have some knowledge about it. That's why I tell you again and again. Okay, so what I'm speaking, everything, getting my tips, getting my words, getting my speak. So I hope you understood. That's why I tell you again and again. You don't waste your time. Start saving time and take good good things. Stop negative thinking. Stop negative thinking. Start positive thinking. Then you will able to speak in English. I am in illiterate. Still, I try to improve my English. You are definitely illiterate. Why? Why you cannot speak in English? You will definitely improve your English, but you will have to put your effort. Then you will be able to improve your English fluently. If you think mostly people thinks I can't do it. English is very difficult language. No, English is very easy language. But you have to try to practice in English daily. You will have to take 15 to 20 minutes in a day. Then you will improve your English few days, few months. No, totally depend on your mind, how to use your mind use quickly, you learn quickly. Your mind works slowly, you learn slowly, but you will be able to improve your English. Nothing is like that. My mind is working slowly. I can't. No. Everyone learn English, but you will have to. Sometimes some people takes time to learn English. Some people much time to improve our English. That's why everyone learn because English is a language. Nothing. Not to things that it is very grammar difficult. No, if you listen day by day, you will realize English is a language, not too difficult subject, not too care grammar. Grammar. There is grammar, but if you watch from English video, if you realize how whenever when you learn English, you don't know. When you learn all grammar, you don't know. If you focus grammar, read always, it is very difficult in your mind. Is your mind. That's why listen and as well as write. If you student, you definitely you read loudly, grammar loudly books, you will definitely improve for English. I'm I am illiterate. I try to speak English. Why? I feel proud at myself. You know, I have everyone excited. Everyone wants to. Everyone learns English because English is very important language. Next time, you also know without speaking English next time very problem in our self. No, that's why you have time start practicing English, start thinking in English. Then you will able to improve your English few days. It will take much time to learn, but you definitely improve your English. Oh, thank you very much. I hope what I'm telling you must have understood my tips. Oh, thank you very much. Have a good day. I will meet you at the same time. Have a good day for thank you.